Grabe, okay. So guys, ngayon po 10 guitars. Sinalitan po natin
Ito ba
guys
yun?
yung ano. Opo.
Ay,
yung
wow.
ano.
Ganda ng singer.
Oo, ako.
Talaga?
Come on. Okay.
Ito pala yun?
Paparang nga ako. Ano po,
Malaki.
play for me. They come from miles around to hear the playing melody. Beneath the stars, my 10 guitars will play that song for you. And if you be the one you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitar. And very soon you know just where you must have it. To the eyes of love you see a dazzling stars. So get a dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitar. Ayawan mo na daw.
Ayaw mo na daw.
Ayawan mo na.
Yo! Hey!
Ayo, bakit?
Yung legs mo na lang.
Guitars are made for love, my pendulum will always say. To give them all a pretty girl, and they will start to play. Beneath the stars, my 10 guitars will play a song for you. And if you be the one you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. And very soon you know just where you are. To the eyes of love you see a dazzling star. So dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. Dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. Let's dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
Maganda po.
Maganda. Magaling, magaling.
Uy, may nagpapula bro.
Uy, thank you po din.
Grabe, ha?
Ay, ikakanta pa ako. Guys, follow niyo ako guys ng ano, pamulay. Joke lang. Uy, salamat.